Hey, this is John, and today I want to talk to you about how to make YouTube videos without showing your face. Now, obviously on this video I'm showing my face, but a lot of people don't like, or don't want to. They don't feel comfortable maybe showing their face or hearing their voice, or they just want to not. So you can actually make the same kind of video that I'm doing. This is called a screen recording, where I'm actually using a software called Screencast-O-Matic to record the screen on my computer, and you can do this without showing your face. Okay, so I can toggle this on and off. I can toggle it bigger, I can toggle it smaller. So, but you can also take this little box away as well as move it around wherever you want it to go. So you don't necessarily need to do screen recordings showing your face or your voice. But I'm going to show a specific method today about how to make YouTube videos without showing your face that allows you to make very high quality videos, build a nice YouTube channel for your traffic, for your free traffic, and promote affiliate products and make sales and make some money online. So YouTube is going to be our traffic source because YouTube is awesome. YouTube is the second largest search engine online behind Google. Google does own YouTube, and so they promote it heavily. And there's I can't even remember what the stats are. It's crazy how many, hundreds of millions, if not billions of views that there are every day. There's, so many, just, the stats are crazy. How many videos are being uploaded. It's just a huge site, platform, and there's tons and tons of free traffic. So YouTube is going to be our traffic source. Now, what stops a lot of people from using YouTube as a traffic source is exactly what I'm doing, showing your face, using your own voice. So we're going to talk about how to make videos for YouTube without showing your face. First, what you want to do is obviously you need a YouTube channel, and once you have, and so you want to select a niche for your channel. So that could be for this example, we're going to use a kind of a health and fitness type of niche channel. Okay, so you create your channel on YouTube. That's free. So far everything we're doing is free. And then you want to decide what kind of product you want to promote. There's lots of different affiliate platforms out there where you can promote products. ClickBank is a great one to get started on because they have a ton of different products covering all kinds of different niches, from health and fitness, weight loss, self-help, making money online, going green products, all kinds of stuff. I mean, just tons and tons. So, and it's free. The great thing about ClickBank, a couple things. One, it's free. It doesn't cost you anything as an affiliate to use ClickBank. And you're going to be automatically approved for almost everything, right? Unfortunately, a lot of other affiliate platforms, you do have to get approved. And sometimes you need a website in order to get approved. Or, you need maybe sometimes even to do phone interviews to get approved. So you don't need that with ClickBank. So ClickBank is a great place to start. Once you log in, they have a vast marketplace that you can search, find the product you want to promote, and then that is going to take us next to finding some content for our video. Now, you can make your video from scratch. That is one way to do it. You can write your own script, etc. But a really helpful way to speed up that process is to use what's called PLR, private label rights. And this is a great website to find PLR products. It's called bigproductstore.com. I'll leave a link in the video below. This is a website that I use. I'm going to log in just a second, and we're going to find something that will help us get content to make our video. And just a little bit about Big Product Store. They have over 10,000 PLR products, and they're uploading pretty much every day. And you'll see that in a second, okay? They've been doing it for 7 years, and you get, with your membership, you get unlimited access and downloads, okay? And they've been doing it since 2012, so they actually need to update that. So that's about almost 10 years now. Well, more than 7 years. 10 years is more than 7 years, right? Now, the nice thing about it is, they have some free products, so you can start out just trying their free stuff. But if you do join, and I highly encourage you to think about it, because you can either get their monthly membership, $20 a month, or what I did is I just went for the one-time lifetime payment of just under $100. After 5 months of this, you'll hit this, so you might as well just do the one-time payment is the way I look at it. That's what I did. And this is paid off in spades because there's just tons and tons of products, okay? So, oh, I guess I'm logged in already, okay? So I am logged in to my account already. So let's go back up. Let's go and hit on Browse All Products. And here, everything that gets uploaded is in date order. So today is January 18th, so they uploaded this one today. They uploaded a couple yesterday, some on the 16th, the 15th, the 14th, the 13th. So you can see they're uploading something pretty much every day and in quite a variety of niches too, okay? This is kind of like a self-help. Here's Facebook traffic, so that's more kind of the make money online niche. Social marketing, influencer secrets, health niche, health again. Financial niche. So, you know, a big variety of niches, a large variety. So you'll find pretty much anything you want. And the great thing is they have all kinds of different products, audio files, WordPress stuff, plugins and themes, software, ebooks. They have lots of video products. So you could actually get your own videos on here, put a video course together to sell. We're going to be looking under ebooks. And you can search over here. But for this video, what I'm going to do is, let's say we were in the self-help niche, okay? And so this product, let's see what it is. I just uploaded this. It's okay to say no. So this is about 5 things to say no to so that you can take back control of your life. So this is self-help niche. You know, they tell you a little bit about it. And once you're ready to go with it, then you just click on download this product. Okay, so I'm going to download that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I downloaded the product. It's okay to say no. And here I just want to show you quickly everything that came with this product. Sometimes you just get the ebook itself, but sometimes you get several other things. First, you know, you have your license, so make sure you read through that, follow the terms of the license. But you can see this product is actually giving you articles that you could use as maybe for blog content or email messages, the graphics for it, an audio version. They give you an opt-in page. So you can build an email list, and then the report itself. Okay, and the report comes in a Word document and a PDF. And so when you open that up, this is the PDF version of what this looks like. And oops, sorry. Let me go back here. And so here's the cover, the introduction, reclaiming your right to say no, and then you should go through and you can see, you know, it's a nice, well laid out. And this is a great little report because you can use this to make a video. And that's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you how we're going to make a video without showing your face using this as our content. Okay, and so basically what you do is just take this and copy it, and we're going to use this in a software. Now there's a few different softwares that you can use. I use a software called Pictory, and I'll leave a link for this down below this video. But Pictory is great because it allows you to make videos in several different ways. Okay, they do have if we look at the pricing, they do have a free version. So again, you can use this for free, and you get 3. I think it lets you make 3 videos per month. So not bad. You can upload, you know, almost one a week, or you can upgrade. You know, they have annual pricing and monthly pricing. So if you pay for the year in advance, it's $20 per month, which is really very cheap. And now you can start making unlimited videos, right? So, you know, with the standard, premium, and enterprise, you can make unlimited videos a month. Now, there's a little bit of difference in how long your videos can be, depending on which plan you have. But, you know, 10 minutes should be more than plenty. You know, the average YouTube video, they say, tends to run about 8 minutes long. So anyway, this is pricing. I have a lifetime account with Pictory, but we're going to go ahead and log in so you can see how this works. So let me just log in quick. And in Pictory, you actually have 4 different ways to make videos. You can actually put in a URL from a website, and it'll pull portions of that URL article from that URL to make a video. But we're going to do this, script a video. There's also visuals, and you can edit videos. But this is what you're going to most commonly use is script to video. And so when you go here, we're going to take the text that I copied just from the... Now, you would obviously copy more text than I am, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to copy a short bit of it here, just to show you how it works. And we would paste that in here, okay? Now, I usually will go through and kind of put in where I would like, some page breaks to be. Pictory will actually do that for you, but I just like to do this myself because I think it does make it easier when it translates. So I just go through and, make little chunks because these are going to show up in the scenes or slides that they create. You can choose what words you want highlighted if you want. They do spell check for you, which is nice. And so once you have all that done, you just hit proceed. Decide on what size. So YouTube is 16:9. You can do vertical for like Facebook or square for Instagram. So we're doing YouTube as our traffic source. And so what it's going to do is it's going to find media sources from video snippets from Storyblocks. And then you're going to come into the Pictory editor here. So let me slide over. And so the editor basically it has your story. So these are the different scenes. Okay, and then you see a preview of your scene over here. And let me get up out of the way here. And there's things you can do with this scene right below it. You can also see your scenes across the bottom, and you can scroll through them, or you can scroll through them over here. You can link scenes together if you want to. Like for this one, this first one says no. It's pretty short, so maybe we want to link that. So let's, oops, it unlinked it. Let's link. There we go. That should be linked. Okay. And then you can change what you want for your media to be. You can search different backgrounds, video clips. You can search based on a certain word. So let's see what comes up. Not much. So we'll maybe pick a different scene. Then you can do your audio. You can choose a style. So let's go through. Let's see, scene 2. So these are, connected. It's basically showing, a dictionary because it's using words, right? Let's go here. So you can basically just go through scene by scene and see if there's something you want to edit. Since we're little taught saying no is a negative thing that hurts people and causes, so again, that's pretty good, right? Showing a bunch of friends with mine. It's no wonder our society feels uncomfortable telling people no. So again, not bad. You could change it if you want. Saying no is not a bad thing, though, and learning when to say it will allow you to take back control of your life. So again, showing maybe some nice peaceful setting. Now again, you can move this around if you want. If you want it to be up here, you can, again, let me get out of the way. You can center that. You can, change it. So you have all these different things that you can do inside of Pictory. So again, I'm just showing you a very short version of what you can do with it here. But this is a way to make really nice quality. The videos come from Storyblocks. You don't need to pay for a separate license for Storyblocks because that is included with your access and account with Pictory. Now for audio, you can go on here and you can have some background music. You can preview the music that you may want to use. If you don't want to use music, you certainly don't have to. You can voiceover. They do have some AI voiceover. So you can listen to it, preview it, see if you like it, and then if you do, apply, star it if it's one of your favorites. You can change the speed. Sometimes that makes it sound more realistic. If you're trying to get your YouTube channel monetized for AdSense on YouTube, then you should. It's usually recommended not to use the AI voices, but instead to upload your own voiceover. So you can record this yourself. I record my voiceovers using the free voiceover voice recorder called Audacity, that free software. Using Blue Yeti microphone. I record my own voiceovers. You can upload it. And then Pictory does a great job stitching the voiceover and timing it with the text. Now you can also edit the text, or you can edit the voiceover to sync better if you think it doesn't quite sync right, but it usually does a really good job. So you can do that. You can add background music, and then also in the editor over here, you can record a voiceover just for this scene, so you can go scene by scene and do it, or upload a voiceover just for this scene. Now, anytime you're working on a scene, it's only doing it for this scene, okay? So you can change the video, you can do things here, you can hide the text on the video if you don't want. Now, you can apply that to all scenes where all the text is hidden. I think with these faceless videos where you're not showing your face, it is better to have the text, because there's a lot of people that go to YouTube and they're at work or wherever and they can't really listen, but they will read along. And so I do think it's good to have the text. You can change the style of the video, so you can go through and see the different styles that you may want to change to. So they have lots of different options there. And then again, you can change the format if you made a mistake earlier. Okay, you can choose the resolution you want it to come out, and then you can also optimize it for size based on the resolution. You can move your scenes around by just sliding them back and forth. These are, in essence, these are linked, they're going to move together, right? But I can change the order I want. You can edit the text, just double click on it. Now you can edit, you can change the word that's highlighted, the words that's highlighted, you can edit in any way that you want, the font, the sizing, the color, etc. So Pictory is a great software, and then when you're done, it'll auto save as you go along, or you can just hit save. You can hit preview when you're ready, and then when you're ready to create your video, you just click on generate and say video. You can also, it does integrate with Hootsuite to upload to social media if you want. And so you just download your video, and then you go back to your YouTube account and upload that video. And then put your affiliate links in the description box below the video, just like I'm doing in this video. If you go down, you'll see some description links. And that is how you can very easily and for free make videos for YouTube without showing your face. Now, again, the other thing, I showed you getting content from a PLR site, and and so yes, you do have to pay for that, although they have free products. So you could do this entirely for free, right? YouTube is free. It is free to join ClickBank and promote products as an affiliate. You can get free products from bigproductstore.com without paying for a membership. The Pictory does have a free version that you can use. And so you can do all of this for free and then leverage the free traffic from YouTube to build a channel on YouTube that helps you make commissions from affiliate sales because you're recommending products that can help people, and also by getting monetized and making money from AdSense. So I hope this helps you, and I wish you the best of luck. And please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Please subscribe so you can get the newest content that I put out as well.